Thanksgiving will be here before you know it. So today I have a few Thanksgiving craft ideas to share that I know you are going to absolutely love. Hi, it's Lynn Dunn from Stamptastic Designs. Thanks so much for joining me today. In this episode of Stamptastic TV, you will learn how to make an adorable little punch art turkey gift box and some super fun little note cards. These little crafts make the perfect gift idea for your Thanksgiving hostess. You can even use the note cards to serve as little decorations for your Thanksgiving table. By the end of this video, you will have some super cute Thanksgiving craft ideas that you can give away as a gift or use as decorations for your table this holiday season. For the latest paper crafting ideas, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. First, let's talk about the supplies that you will need to create these projects. You will need several different colors of cardstock. You will need a piece of soft suede, pumpkin pie, or an orange colored cardstock, crushed curry, or any kind of yellow colored cardstock, a piece of rich raspberry or purple cardstock, a piece of crumb cake cardstock, some scrap pieces of black and white, a little piece of red, and some glimmer paper. You will also need some designer series papers. So for this project, I am using the polka dot pattern from the Country Lane Designer Series paper pack, but you can use whatever designer paper or pattern paper that you have on hand. You will need an acetate card box. You will need some circle and oval shapes. So for this project, I'm using some of the stitched shapes framelits. You can use whatever circles and ovals that you have on hand. I am also using the detailed leaves thinlits dies. And so I'm using this one in particular, this beautiful detailed leaf from that set. That is how we will create the feathers for the turkey. And we will also use it to create some note cards. You will need a couple different punches, a 3/4 inch circle punch, a 1/2 inch circle punch, and a little heart-shaped punch. I also recommend a stronger adhesive, so I will be using some tear-in tape for this project. And you will need your scissors. You can shop for these and other fun paper crafting supplies in my Stampin' Up! Store. You can find the link below this video. Are you ready to get started? Give me a thumbs up or type ready in the comments below and let's get started. So first we are going to start by assembling the acetate box. The acetate boxes come in a pack of 10 and they are all scored and ready for you to assemble. Simply fold on all the score lines to put the box together. Next, we are going to add some adhesive to each of the 1.5 by 12 inch pieces of pattern paper. You will need 2 pieces of this pattern paper. Start by adhering the middle portion of your pattern paper across the bottom of the front of the box. Slowly wrap the end pieces around the sides of the box so that they meet up in the back of the box. The ends of your pattern paper will overlap on the back of the box. You will be adhering a piece of pattern paper to the top and bottom of the acetate box. Use a strong adhesive like tear-in tape to adhere the pattern paper to the box. Now let's create the Thanksgiving turkey. This adorable little Thanksgiving turkey was created with circles and oval shapes. The stitch shapes framelits work perfect for this project because the set comes with different size circle and oval shapes. So that means you don't need several framelit sets. You can just use the one set. So you're going to take the largest oval in the pack and you're going to cut out a piece of soft suede cardstock. The large oval measures approximately 2.25 by 3.25 inches. Once you have the oval cut, sponge some soft suede ink around the edge of the oval just to add a little bit of depth and dimension to the cardstock. This will be the body of the turkey. Next, cut a circle that is approximately 2 inches in diameter or less for the belly of the turkey. You're going to cut this piece from some crumb cake cardstock and adhere it to the large soft suede oval. Next, using that same circle framelit, I want you to create the head of the turkey. Cut this circle from a piece of soft suede cardstock. Again, you're going to sponge some soft suede ink around the edge of the circle to add some depth and dimension. Adhere this piece to the top of the turkey body using a few dimensionals. Next, we're going to create the wings. Cut 2 ovals from a piece of soft suede cardstock. The ovals should be approximately 3/4 by 1 3/4 inches or less. Sponge some soft suede ink around the edge of the ovals to add some depth and dimension. Add a few dimensionals to each of the wings and adhere them to the body of the turkey. Be sure to tuck the top part of each wing underneath the head. To create the turkey eyes, punch out 2 3/4-inch white circles and 2 1/2-inch black circles. Adhere them together with glue dots. Next, you will punch out 2 half circles using that 3/4-inch punch, and you're going to cut these from a piece of soft suede cardstock. Sponge a bit of soft suede ink around the edges of the circles to add some depth and dimension. Adhere them to the top part of the eyes. Then adhere the eyes to the head of your turkey with a dimensional. Next, you will cut out a triangular shape by hand from a piece of orange cardstock. This will be the beak of the turkey. Punch out a small heart from a piece of scrap red cardstock and adhere it to the beak. Be sure to tuck it in underneath the beak just a little bit. Then simply adhere it to the turkey head as shown. To create the turkey hat, cut a 1 1/4 by 1 1/4 inch piece of black cardstock, or you can use the square framelit from the Stitched Shapes framelit set. Cut a 1/2 by 2-inch piece of black cardstock to create the brim of the hat. Adhere these two pieces together with glue dots. Next, we're going to create the buckle for the hat. Cut a 3/4 by 3/4-inch piece of gold glimmer paper and a 1/2 by 1/2-inch piece of black cardstock. Adhere these two pieces together and secure them to the hat with a dimensional. Adhere the bottom part of the hat to the top of the turkey head. You want to use a strong adhesive such as tear-in tape to hold it in place. Be sure to tuck part of the hat behind the turkey's eyes. Next, let's create the feathers. The feathers were created by using one of the leaves in the Detailed Leaves Thinlit die set. You're going to use your embossing machine and the Thinlit die. Cut out 4 yellow-colored leaves, 3 orange-colored leaves, and 2 purple-colored leaves. Add some adhesive to the back of the punch art turkey that you created. We will be using the adhesive to help arrange the turkey feathers, or those detailed leaves, behind the punch art turkey. So start at the top with the orange detailed leaf. Hold it just above the hat of the turkey, and when you have it positioned the way you want it, press it into the adhesive that you put on the back of the turkey. Next, add a yellow leaf on each side of the orange one. Press those into place. You're going to repeat this process with each of the die cut leaves until you've added them all to create the turkey feathers. Then go ahead and adhere the turkey to the front of your acetate card box. And that's it. You're done. Isn't he just adorable? Now you can use this little box as a decoration for your Thanksgiving table or to give them to someone as a gift. You can also create some note cards that coordinate with this box. These cards were created with a pack of narrow note cards. Each note card measures 2.5 by 4.5 inches when closed. You can make your note cards from scratch or grab a pack of 20 from my Stampin' Up! Store so that you can get busy decorating them right away. You can find the link below this video. These note cards are the perfect size for creating little name tents to decorate your Thanksgiving table. You could also make a bunch of them and tuck them into this adorable little turkey gift box and give them to someone as a gift. These note cards are quick and simple to make, and you can easily coordinate them with the gift box. Simply cut a 1 by 4.5-inch piece of the designer paper or the pattern paper that you used to create the gift box, and you're going to run that along the bottom of the card. Cut out one of those detailed leaves and just adhere it to the card as shown. If you're using these as name tents, leave it blank so you can add someone's name. Otherwise, you can just stamp the word thankful up in the corner. Now you can alternate colors like I did here. You can make them all exactly the same. Just get creative with it. Now you have some fun little Thanksgiving craft ideas that you can use to decorate your Thanksgiving table or to give as gifts this holiday season. And if you enjoyed these projects, I have put together a printable tutorial for you featuring the punch art turkey gift box, as well as some simple note card ideas. You can find the link in the description below this video. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking it and sharing it with your friends. And leave a comment below to let me know what you enjoyed most about the video and the projects shared here today. Have fun getting creative. Take care, and I'll see you soon.